Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Faith and I'm with my hubby, Reggie Bon, and my twin sister Love and my cousin, Kuya Michael. Today's video is going to be the Fire Noodle Challenge. Yan. My sister prepared, she already cooked the noodles and it's in here. Okay, the objective of this game will be by teams. So obviously it will be hubby and I versus Love and Kuya Michael. So the first team to give up will lose the game. And also, by the way guys, we prepared milk for today's game. Kasi, di ba, pag maanghang, milk yung parang antidote sa anghang. So, ayun. Let's start! Good luck. Ang anghang! Ang anghang! By the way guys, my sister, she loves spicy food as well as Reggie Bon, but ewan ko lang kay... Oh my god. Happy? 1/4 sa akin. This is it.
Oh my god.
Gamay yung kanagin mo ah! Pwede na ba mag-milk? Ay. Oh, malapit na kami! Habi, seryoso ka naman. Nun mo! Ikaw ang nagsiligid ni boss! Buti na lang, habi ko mahilig sa manghang. Mananalo kami nito! Ang matatalo, bibilan ako ng meat-up! Yabi. Malapit na sa yabi! Dali. Kumain naman ako.
Best ka ako na, Pet.
Mana! Umiiyak na si Kuya Michael. Ako, okay pa naman. Kaya pa? Ikaw, Habi, kaya pa ba? Magsalita ka naman!
No.
Sila yung natalo. Sa game.
Una, pe! Kisa ba?
Playback! Huh? Kumain naman ako.
Best ako na, Pet.
Kung sino yung umiyak, yun yung talo. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I challenge everyone to try the Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. Kasi talagang challenging siya. So that's it. Say bye guys. Bye! Stop na ting. Sa magkagalimon continuous.